Want to get rid of your white-gray hair for good? There is a way. Who likes gray or white hair? Well, that's easy to answer, nobody. Well, this is a common cosmetic issue and it's affecting both men and women even before they turn 50. So what are the most common factors and reasons for gray hair? There are many factors that contribute to this condition and the most common ones are stress, some kind of disease, or simply genetics. The medical experts explain that this type of issue or graying usually occurs as a result of the body's inability to produce melanin, a compound which is part of the hair follicle. So when the melanin production in the hair follicle stops, then your hair will start turning into gray or white. But you shouldn't be worried, because if you have this kind of problem, we have the right solution for you. In this video we are going to show you the best homemade remedy that can help you reverse your natural color. Here's what you need to do. Ingredients: 200 ml flaxseed oil, 4 lemons, unpeeled, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 kg honey. Directions. Here's what you need to do. First you need to slice the lemons and the garlic. Then you should add the flaxseed and the honey. Mix everything together until you get a homogeneous mixture and store the mixture into a glass jar. Note: make sure you keep the jar in your fridge. How to use it? You should consume 1 tablespoon of this homemade remedy 2 times every day before your meals. Other natural remedies for gray hair. You can also massage your scalp with cow milk butter 2 times every week for at least 2 to 3 months. You can also use this treatment as well. Just mix 1 liter yogurt and 1 tablespoon yeast. You need to consume it in small amounts, before every meal. This is also very useful and effective treatment. Bring some coconut oil to boil and add some curry leaves in it. When it's done, strain the oil and let it cool. You need to apply this oil on your scalp gently. Leave it on for few minutes and then wash it off with shampoo and warm water. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share with your friends and family.
You should definitely try this amazing home remedy, because it can improve the health of your hair and it can reverse your gray hair to its natural color, without dyeing your hair. According to the medical experts, this type of problem, or graying, usually occurs as a result of the body's inability to produce melanin, a compound which is part of the hair follicle. So when the melanin production in the hair follicle stops, then your hair will start turning into gray or white. There are hundreds of types of hair dyes on the market today and they all claim that they can help you get rid of white hair. But unfortunately, the hair dyes will do more harm than good. Yes, hair dyes will damage your hair, because they contain high amounts of harmful chemicals. So the question remains, why using these expensive cosmetic products, when you can get the same effects with this all-natural mixture? Ladies, you shouldn't be worried, because in this video we're going to show you how to make 2 powerful remedies, that will help you get rid of white hair and reverse to its natural color. Potato Peel Hair Paste Solution. Note: the experts say that this 1 ingredient recipe will help you get rid of the white hair, just after few weeks. This remedy is very simple and easy to make. You just have to follow the simple instructions. Here's what you need to do. First, you need to peel 5 potatoes and put the peels in a pot with water. After that, you need to get the mixture to boil and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Now, take the pot off the heat and allow it to cool down. When the pot is cool enough, you need to strain it and pour the water in another container. You can add some rosemary or lavender essential oil so you can freshen up the scent. How to use it? First, you need to wash your hair. Massage your hair and scalp with this homemade mixture and leave it on for 5 minutes. Wash it off with warm water and mild shampoo. Honey garlic solution. You'll need the following ingredients: 3 cloves organic garlic peeled, 1 kilogram raw organic honey, 4 organic lemons, unpeeled, 200 ml organic flaxseed oil. Directions. First, you need to slice the garlic and lemons into a bowl. After that, you need to add the honey and flaxseed oil. And now, mix everything well. Keep the solution in a glass jar stored in the refrigerator. You should consume 1 tablespoon of this mixture before a meal, twice a day.